Right, how to start a Stihl HT75 petrol pole pruner. They can be a bit of a pain to start these things if you don't know what you're doing. So this is going to be a cold start. I'll just show you what you've got to do to get it going. And then I'll do another video showing you how this thing works. First, let's start her up. Use any chainsaw, make sure you've got your protective equipment on, your solid shoes, gloves, glasses, earmuffs, and then away we go. So to start this chainsaw, the HT75, first need to lock the switch into the start position by pushing down, pulling the trigger up and sliding back to the start position. Sometimes it flicks off, it's a bit annoying, so that's where it's got to be. Then need to flick the choke up to press the primer bulb 4 or 5 times. Get the fuel flowing through there, and then give it a yank. Should take a few yanks, and once it fires you can flick the choke down, flick it off start. Okay, so I'll show you how that's done. Right, so make sure the cover's off the blade. Trigger, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it on the choke. This is a cold start. Pull until it fires. Flick the choke down. Simple as that. And once it's warm, it's nice and easy to start. I'll show you that now. Don't have to flick it on to start, just flick it into the middle, the eye, run mode. Don't touch primer bulb, don't touch choke, just pull.